So when I bought this truck, I haven't really done much to it. So this thing was broken. Gotta fix that. Stain all around. Just dirty. You know. So yep, I'm gonna try and give it a good clean. Hopefully make it look better than the way it looks right now. So this is the shampoo I'm using. Fabric cleaner. Will clean. Chemical guys. I'm gonna use that. Put it up here. And drinking Monster. So after I was done, this is how it looks now. It looks pretty good. I mean, there's just a little stubborn stain right at that corner. I still need to clean this stuff. I guess they had a big family or something, and kids, and they colored the seatbelt, and there's color everywhere. Dirty spot, but I'll clean that later. So this is the way it looks in the back at the moment. It looks way better. And now I gotta clean all this stuff too. I see the stain right there. Stain all over the place. You see that? It's awful. It's terrible. Stubborn stain right there too. I'll go back and try and remove that later. That in the corner right there. Yep, this. You see? Wow, nasty, 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 nasty. I bought it really cheap, so I didn't care how it looked on the interior or the exterior. I just wanted the motor to be running great, so the motor is great, so I'm not worried about it. But yeah, and I just ordered WeatherTech carpets, so it should be here in like 3 days. All right, so I'm done with the detailing. As you can see, it's still like a little black. But I mean, I did the best I could, found out today that I won't be able to get my WeatherTech mats as soon, because they gotta custom make the one that goes back here. I don't know, it's kind of weird, but this is gonna take a few days before I get them. I'll share them to you when I get them, so you can see back here more of that, I think, red wine or some shit, something there. But overall, I say, looks way better. I don't know if this is a stain or just a thought it was a shadow. Might be a stain, I don't know. That carpet. So yep, so like, subscribe. I'm still at Armor All, this interior, and finish that up. Yep. This doesn't even belong there. That's from another truck. I actually ordered the two front ones because it didn't have them on the bottom. You see. So I ordered those. Hopefully I'll get them in like 3 or 4 days. Well, I hope you liked it, and I hope it was helpful. All right.